Mini crawler season is coming up quick, so I think it's the perfect time to install my SEQURE brushless system into my Traxxas TRX4m. This is the car that we will be installing it on, and it is my fully custom Traxxas TRX4m. I have lots of custom parts on here. The whole chassis is aluminium, mostly from AliExpress actually. Body from Endura, nice upgraded servo, and the last thing left that's original is the Traxxas electronics, so the motor and the ESC. But today we're going to change that, because here is the SEQURE version 2 ESC and motor, of course brushless. So this should make the car perform so much better. I cannot wait to see how the car is going to perform when I install this, and we will be testing it in this video. In the box you do get this Wi-Fi connector, which allows you to change all of the settings on your phone. Then you get some cables, pinion gears and double-sided tape. There's no manual, but you do get a QR code so you can see it on your phone. And of course you have the ESC and motor. These are called the Ant ESC and motor version 2. I will link both of them in the description if you're interested. First up, let's take out the motor and the ESC. Okay, first issue of the day is getting this tiny little gear onto that motor, because it does not come pre-installed, and I've heard that heating it up actually helps, so let's try. Hopefully this makes it easier, because I honestly have no clue how I would get this on. I just kind of push it on with my fingers for now, just to kind of hold it in place. Oh, but anything more than that is really difficult. Okay, let's see how this goes. Just gonna gently heat this little guy up. I'm not sure how hot I want him to be, but guess we're gonna see. Okay, he is very hot. And now, there we go. That looks just about perfect. I just pushed that with the pliers and it popped on very easily actually. Awesome. Last thing left to do is to put everything back together. And there we go. Let's take it outside. So we have good news and bad news. The good news is everything went together pretty well. It was actually pretty easy to install, not much roadblocks along the way. Everything fit perfectly and looks very good. You do need an adapter for the battery, but I actually have one just laying around, so that's perfect. I did also reverse the throttle just on the controller, as when you put like forwards, it would go backwards. So I reversed it, now it's all good. But there is some bad news as well. And rather than telling you, I'm just going to show you. It actually drives really nicely. It is very controlled and very fast as well. Yeah, way too fast for a little crawler like this. And it has lots of low down control, which is what we wanted doing this upgrade. As you can see here, the car is just barely moving, which is exactly what we wanted to see. But now to the bad news. So, just to demonstrate, let's say I'm crawling up to this obstacle here. Super slow and controlled. Look at that, it is barely moving. Looks awesome. But then when I get to the obstacle, yep, we have quite the case of some cogging there. I can see the outboard motor right here wanting to move, but it just doesn't have the torque. But I do have one more idea. I'm going to email the company, see what they say back, and maybe, just maybe, we're going to fix this motor in this video. Let's see. Okay, a few days later and we have a response. They suggested that we check the gearing. We are meant to have the stock gearing, which I'm pretty sure it is in the car, but let's just make sure. So this other TRX4m I know has the correct gearing, so let's take the gearbox out of this one and put it into this one. Okay, so approximately like 40 minutes later and we have it assembled just enough to test if this helps. I really hope that this is the issue, because I really want to see this running in all of its glory. But I guess we're going to see. Okay, pretty similar obstacle as we had before. Once again, the car is super smooth, very slow, but let's see, will there be a cogging issue? Oh, that was very nice. Okay, let's try a little bit steeper. Whoa, I think that helped. Now an extreme load test, just straight into it. Wait, did this? I think it actually fixed it. That is awesome, it fixed the problem. It can go even slower now. Just look at this. This wheel is moving right now. It is driving forwards, that is super slow. And approaching the obstacle, just very controlled. See, there is a little bit of cogging, but when I just amp up the throttle a little bit, it does still go over super smoothly. And there we go. Now this car drives absolutely phenomenally. I'm so happy that this issue was fixed. Okay, now something just a little bit more challenging. Of course, very easy. Now let's see how slow we can actually go with it. And that is barely moving. For me, this kind of control makes it very impressive. And I think it is definitely worth it over the original electronics. This is gonna make crawling so much more satisfying and nicer. It is just super smooth. I mean, I don't think I'm professional enough to use all of this smoothness. It's beautiful. I can see the motor spinning inside. I'm not sure if you can too, but it looks pretty cool. This car is just super duper smooth. I mean, wow. Definitely worth the upgrade over the original system. It was always a huge pain to see the original system struggling, but this one, incredible. And now that I've shown you how slow this car can go, I just thought I'd also show you how fast it can go. Now I know you're not buying a brushless system to go fast, you're buying it to go slow, but still, just take a look. The car is just right there, and let's do a full speed drag race. Okay, that went a bit off course, let's do it again. This is very fast. And there we go guys, the SEQURE Ant ESC motor version 2. I know at the start it was a little bit rough, you know, the problems with the cogging and stuff, but right now it's all solved. That was my issue, and yeah, it's absolutely awesome. I would definitely recommend it. I'm sure you saw in those slow crawling clips how capable this system really is, and do I want more? No, this is honestly a bit too slow for me even. It's also way faster than the original one was, so lots of pluses and no minuses. I would definitely recommend it. Link to it will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!